Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your emotes in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to launch your Destiny 2 game on your device. Once you do that, the first thing you need to do is configure your emotes. You can do so by pressing F1 on your keyboard, which will take you to the character screen, like so. Now go down, and here's the emote button right here. So you can configure it by pressing right click on your mouse like so. Choose from the various emotes you have. So these are the 4 I've chosen. Now go back and go to your game and then just press the hotkey for emotes like so. So I just pressed up arrow key. It's going to do this emote right here, and this is the second emote. So this is the third one, and the last one is this one. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Jace. Happy gaming!